Hello from Syncranti. Cells made up of thousands of different kinds of molecules have just 4 kinds of molecules that contribute up to 90% of the weight of a dried cell. These are called macromolecules as these are large and heavy and can be seen as a chain of specific smaller molecules. These macromolecules are nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. Today, we will discuss the first two, the understanding of which will be a key to learning biology. Let's learn about DNA. The genetic material in the nucleus, called chromosomes, is mainly made up of DNA. It was first found only in the nucleus of a cell, hence named as nucleic acid. Molecules of DNA are found in nearly every organism, from a bacterium to a human being. DNA works as the master molecule, controlling the functioning, growth, and division of the cell. What does this master molecule look like? DNA has the same structure in all organisms. In the year 1953, Watson and Crick gave a model for the structure. This model had 2 antiparallel strands coiled around a common axis. This structure is known as double helix. It could be compared with a flexible twisted ladder. Each strand in the DNA molecule is a chain of smaller molecules called nucleotides. Each nucleotide contains a nitrogenous base, a sugar molecule, and a phosphate group. A, that is adenine, G, guanine, T, thymine, and C, cytosine, are the nitrogenous bases found in DNA. A and G are purines, and T and C are pyrimidines. Based on the nitrogenous base present in them, nucleotides can be classified into 4 types. Nucleotides are arranged in a chain inside the DNA. The 2 strands of DNA can be considered as 2 pillars of a ladder. Each pillar is made up of alternately bonded sugar molecule and phosphoric acid. Each step of the ladder is a nitrogenous base pair connected by hydrogen bonds. A of one pillar always bonds with T of another, and G of one pillar always bonds with C of another. Just how your phone number is a string of numbers from 0 to 9, DNA is a string of nucleotides ATGC, and this is what is referred to as a genetic code, with the difference that this string is nearly 1 billion characters long in humans. This huge code is divided into smaller segments called genes. These genes control the structure and functions of cells and thus our body. How? We will discuss that shortly. Now let's learn about RNA. RNA is another important nucleic acid found in a cell. Its discovery began with the discovery of nucleic acids in 1868, but it was only after 1890 that RNA was found to be distinctly different from DNA. It was later discovered that this molecule has a role to perform in the manufacture of proteins. What does an RNA molecule look like? Its molecular components are similar to those of DNA. One nucleotide of RNA has a nitrogenous base, a sugar molecule that is slightly different from the one in DNA, and a phosphoric acid. A, that is adenine, C, cytosine, G, guanine, and U, uracil, are the 4 nitrogenous bases present in RNA. The two prime differences between DNA and RNA are the presence of different sugars, with the one in RNA being more reactive. We will see that why later. And the T and U in DNA and RNA respectively are different. RNA, being functionally more active, does not have a single structure. And yes, it can form the double helix too. More on this in the next video. Goodbye from Synkranti.